Hello, welcome to our channel Embedded Demon. Are you planning to do CDAC or similar course? Then you must watch this video. Please like or share if you like the video, and please watch the full video. You will get to know many interesting things. Content what we will cover. There are things that you should consider if you are planning to do CDAC. Like question you should ask that you really want to do CDAC. Then how can we prepare the entrance, which is CCAT? Then what after this CDAC course, like whether you are going to get a job or what you will be getting actually, and the conclusion. So benefit you will get after watching this video and some thoughts. So moving to the first, interested in getting some knowledge or just you are thinking about the job? Because yeah, actually I was also job oriented when I first heard about this CDAC, but as I've gone through the journey, I think your preference should be knowledge and not the job. Knowledge, which is important and which will give you the job. So please focus on getting knowledge throughout the course. Do not just think about how much package will I get and whether I will get a good job, whether I will get placed. So just forget about those worries. Focus on what you are learning. Be sincere about what you are doing. Then so yeah, as I said, enjoy what you learn, implement what you have learned, so you will earn from what you have learned. So you just don't need to worry like whether I'm smart enough, whether I am able to do this much of busy schedule timing of the CDAC. So don't worry, just go with the flow. You will get to know to new things, new experience, how you can really work hard and you will enjoy even. So yeah, as I said, put enough efforts and you'll get the desired results. Yeah, be on fire till you achieve your goal. Say that just do not just go because someone has told you that someone has got placed, there is this much of percentage of placement, and then you are just going for the sake of job and your branch is really different, and just forget about what you have learned till now, maybe till the BE or MCA students, for what they have learned, and they just going for the just sake of job. So instead of that, I think you should think about what you really want to do. Like as I am an embedded engineer and I'm working the same field, I find it interesting. I like to read about it. So find your inspiration, what you really want to do. Find opportunities. I'm not saying that do not go for this, but just find what is right for you. So how to prepare, that is our main motive actually for this month. So how to prepare for entrance, which is CCAT. This is not a much difficult, but due to the competency, like thousands of students appear every 6 months and they prepare for it, but not everyone gets it. Actually the ranking system is there, like you have to get 300 or 600, up to 600 rank, and then will be getting a good center. Because I will suggest, do not just go for any center. It's like engineering college. So college system, like you after the CET, you if you get a good score and you get a good college, then you will be getting a good placement and good knowledge as well. So it's same here. Please opt for right courses and right college, institute, I will say. Like there are few institute in Pune: Sunbeam Institute, CDAC, which is of course a headquarter, then Sunbeam Karad, and there are few others also. Review, you can find reviews on Quora also about the institute. So moving to the course, yeah. So there are basically three sections: A, aptitude; B, C, programming and some computer related concepts. Third section is digital electronics. So first section, I will say, for aptitude, when I did solve the aptitude, it wasn't much difficult. The quantitative part was very easy, and I will suggest you, please go for quantitative aptitude part first, because time is running, and then go for the English or reasoning section, which is more time taking. Moving to the next part, the section B, C, programming. So C programming questions are mostly based on this programming snippets, code snippets, like find the output, what will the output after incrementing the pointer, or doing some bit manipulation, what will the size of structure, and such questions. Actually we are going to bring some another video based on sample question, so please have a look at that after this video. So, and some other things are also there, like C++ basic questions, and you might know have undergone these concepts like inheritance, virtual functions, and then few other networking and OS related questions, like basic OS questions. So that's not really a difficult thing. Third, electronics. Actually, I have done embedded course. I had opted for this third section, but if you are going for DAC or mobile computing, then or DBDA, then you will be having two sections only. Do not worry about this third section. It's pretty easy. Basic knowledge of electronics. It's not like you should be having a good electronics knowledge, because as my experience, I have not studied that much during the college days. So, but still, I will say, so just prepare for the basic things like number systems, how to convert from hex to binary, then basic microprocessor questions like what is opcode, what is operand, then basic architecture like what is RAM, ROM, basic 8051 questions, and logic gate combinations, flip flop, truth table questions might be one or two. Most probably you will be having question in mind like what will I do after CTEC course. So I will say knowledge is always is helpful, and you are getting a benefit, you are getting an advantage. Like before job, you are actually learning more things rather than just having a BE degree and going for off campus, or just going for just empty minded. So I think it's your knowledge for your current work you are doing. Maybe you are a person who is currently employed, or who is doing some educational work, like you're teaching at some institute, or you're a professor. So that this will be helpful, or getting a job, which is actually most of people aim at placement by CRAC. So there will be a compass drive, and you will be having a lot of opportunities. So don't worry, based on your performance, which is not really need to be very high, but average performance is also sufficient, I think, as per my experience. And don't worry about this other things like I'm having a year gap, or so depend on companies. Not all companies just say that yeah, we will not allow you, like because you are having some dead backlogs, or you are having some year down. So don't worry about that, just focus on learning, then approaching a company on. Yeah, sure, if you have some references, and will apply online, like going for off campuses, or attending some off campus drives at other colleges. That's also a good idea. Yeah, be prepared. Prepare before, after. Don't worry about, like, it's usually the courses are 1 lakh fee for 6 months. So before I was also thinking like, yeah, should I put that much of money for 6 months course? But later I realized it's much more worth than 1 lakh. It's really worthy course. You will get to learn many things, many technologies. You will be also developed as a good person. Your thinking ability will change. I think you will get to know like what is in the market, how you should be thinking, what job you should select, what is right for you, whether you should just go for any particular technology, or what you should be actually working in for any particular field or something. So you will get some clarity. Staff management, and they have created such a beautiful course, and the contents, syllabus, they have designed a very nice course for. Just do not go because there is a good placement. Also see what you are really interested. Like if you are interested in developing some iOS or Android application, then there is a course mobile computing. So based on your skills, just select what is right for you. And yeah, I'm thankful for them who really have taken good efforts for teaching us, and they are also teaching for non-stop many hours. And yeah, it's a hectic schedule for them and us also, but it's really worthy. It's like a army training. But yeah, this is the first video. Please like, share, subscribe, so that I will get some motivation for creating some another good videos. And thank you for your watching here. Thank you for visiting our channel. Thank you very much. Put any questions if you have any, or any comments.